Hello guys! Good day! Ayan. Nagbabalik ang inyong tindera. Baka meron kayong gustong mga ganitong plates. We have these collectibles items. This is 2 set of coffee mug and coffee. This is Royal Albert. Yan. This is Royal Albert cup and tea. Coffee cup and saucer. Coffee cup and saucer ng Royal Albert. Ayan siya. Baka merong may gusto. Meron pa rin tayong item available na kulay red. And some other plates like ito Tiffany wine and glass. And other tableware. Meron pa tayong mga tawag dito. Ito. Nakalimutan ko. Yung mga item ko, nakakalimutan ko yung pangalan eh. Pero meron tayong mga tableware dyan. And soon to be uploaded at my Reels and Shorts at YouTube channel. And branded item by Rin at in sa Fiona Marilyn na Facebook ko. Dyan. You can watch and search at my Reels and Shorts at YouTube. Ayan, meron tayong mga item na ganito ha mga madam. Please like and share and watch my YouTube and Facebook page. That's all for today. At sa may gusto nito, around 5,000 to 6,000 yun, depending on the rank of the item ha. There are all used item but not so used. Hindi siya gamit na gamit. Ayan, that's all for today. See you next time.